Hello everybody and welcome to the Luo English Dictionary channel. I'm hoping that we are live and I just want to do the 5 Luo words a day for day number 41. So instead of just posting the video, I've resorted to do it live again because yesterday I did it live. And the thing is, I have not been able to do the 5 Luo words for the first 2 days. So I was a little bit busy, but I didn't want to disappoint you guys. So welcome, and we hope that things will go on as planned. Right now, what we're going to talk about are the 5 words. And after that, if you have questions and answers, you may just ask me whatever it is, and we'll be able to quickly go through it together. So thank you so much and welcome. So today we are going to talk about 5 words. Now these are the 5 words. There's aluoluo, aluora. Alura, there are 2 meanings. Then there is alura. And finally there is aluru. So these are the 5 words we are talking about today. And welcome. Please feel free to leave a like, a comment, to share the stream with your friends so that they just like the stream. Also, if you have questions, please post them on the chat box and then we shall be able to just tackle your questions. So my first one is aluoluo. Aluoluo. What's aluoluo? Aluoluo is a camel. Camel. In a sentence, we can say, wuoth mabor e thim nyalore mana ka itiyo kod aluoluo. Again, I'll repeat that. Wuoth mabor e thim nyalore mana ka itiyo kod aluoluo. So that's a long journey is in the jungle. Thim is the jungle. Is only possible when using a camel. The second one is aluora. Alura. Alura is fearfully, or luoro. Luoro is with fear. Oopsie. Thank you for liking the stream, Juguna. Odonjo e ot. Odonjo e ot kod luoro nikech oneno mudho. Odonjo e ot kod luoro nikech oneno mudho. So he just got into the house with a lot of fear because of the darkness. So mudho is darkness and nikech is because. Odonjo, getting in. Ot is house. Luoro, fearfully. So number 3, aluora. Aluora. What does aluora mean? Aluora means surrounding. In a sentence, we can say, aluora mar Kisumu sani koth goyo. Aluora mar Kisumu sani koth goyo. It's raining in the surroundings of Kisumu. Aluora mar Kisumu sani koth goyo. Aluora. So that's the 3rd word. And then our 4th word of the day is alura. Alura. So alura is your large intestine. Alura. That's your large intestine. Alura. Our final word of the day is aluru. Aluru. Aluru is the final word of the day. And what does it say? In a sentence, you can say, ahero chamo ring aluru. Ahero chamo ring aluru. Thank you, Thomas Juma. Thank you for the support. Ahero chamo ring aluru. So that is, I like quail meat. Aluru is quail, and ringo is ring aluru mean quail meat. So ringo is meat. Ahero I like. Great. So those are the 5 Luo words that we have for today, and as usual, what we do is every day at 12 o'clock my time, it's about, I think, 7 o'clock your time, I do give a lot of words. George Oginga says alura. I go back to alura. Alura is the large intestine. Oopsie, right there, George. Thank you, George. George Oginga ero alura ero the large intestine. Thank you so very much. And any other questions and comments, I want us to just post them on the chat box. As you can see, when you post on the chat box, it will appear on my screen and I'll be able to read it loud. And of course, we can always discuss questions. You can also give sentence examples on the chat box. That way, everybody will see your sentence and we can talk about it. So I'll wait for a little bit, because I want us to, if you have a question, if you're thinking about anything else, please let me know before we call it a day. And I really appreciate your support while doing all these streams. If you missed any of our streams, don't worry. We have created a chat, how you call it, that thing? A playlist. The playlist is called 5 Luo Words a Day. So just search for 5 Luo Words a Day in our Luo English Dictionary channel. And that way you can see the playlist from day 1 all the way to day number 41. We are now on day number 41. Imagine that every day we do 5 words. So from day number 41, day number 1 to day number 40, that's already 200 Luo words. All of them have explanations of their meaning and how to pronounce them, and like how you can, intonation and what you can do. So I'm hoping that this will be a rich vocabulary that will help you to just do your, continue with your Luo learning. So one more thing is we now have a WhatsApp group. We now have a WhatsApp group, and what we are doing in the WhatsApp group is we're just looking at examples of the Luo language and how we can use them. So if you are interested, just go to our website. On our website, it's luoenglishdictionary.com. You will see a WhatsApp link. Click on it, send a message, and then we shall add you to the group. And I hope that these small actions will make you be a better learner or a better teacher. If you are interested in teaching people in the Luo language and you want to use this channel, please feel free to contact us, luoenglishdictionary@gmail.com, and then we can work out something that works for both of us. Thank you, Kalori, for liking the stream. Margaret Kalori, asante sana. And any other person, please just, if you have questions, this is the time to ask your questions. Margaret in Facebook, asante sana. So, Jenry, Jeff followed us, and everybody else. So what have I not covered that you want me to cover? Please ask your questions if you want to. We only have about 30 seconds left, and then we end the stream. I don't want to do long streams, because sometimes I do long streams and then people get discouraged reading or listening all the way, and then sometimes we start repeating ourselves. So we are 10 minutes in, and thank you so very much for staying with me for the 10 minutes that we were in. Please, if you missed all of it, just go back to Luo English Dictionary at Luo English Dictionary YouTube channel. We have all these streams lined up from day 1 all through to day 41. And I hope you have a great, great, great Easter Monday. A great Easter Monday to you and your family. Ero uru kamano ahinya, and I hope that Easter mabiro ni Pasaka ibed godo maber. Nyasaye ogwedhi sama wabet gi nyuol mar janyuol Yesu Kristo kiny. En cha kiny ema inyuole koso nosenyuole kawuono? Anywho, that is it. So thank you so much and bye-bye. Oriti uru. Oriti, thank you so much. Bye-bye.